Functions of political parties. Here we are going to discuss about what are the different functions of political parties. First one, parties contest elections. Now, in most democracies, what happens? Elections are fought among candidates put up by political parties. So what happens under this? In democracies, in most democracies, elections are fought between whom? Among candidates put up by political parties. Now there are two ways how candidates are chosen. In countries like USA, the members and the supporters of a party choose its candidates. I repeat, the first case, in countries like USA, the members and the supporters of a party choose its candidates. The second one, in countries like India, there are top party leaders who choose the candidates for elections. Right? So I repeat, in democracies, elections are fought among whom? Among candidates put up by different political parties. Now parties are chosen by two ways. Number one, in countries like USA, the members and the supporters. Who? The members and the supporters of a party choose its candidates. The second case, in countries like India, who choose the candidates? The top party leaders. It's not the members or the supporters of the party. It's the top party leaders who choose the candidates for contesting elections. The second function, parties put forward different policies and programs. Parties put forward different policies and programs. Voters choose from the policies and the programs which are put forward by political parties. So this is the basis of competition, you know. Different political parties have different ideologies, and supported and guided by those ideologies, political parties put forward different policies like they tell that they will be taking if they come to power. Now, suppose I would like a particular policy of a particular party, I will definitely vote for that party. So this is it. Voters choose from the policies and programs put forward by political parties. So the policies and programs put forward by political parties are meant for the electoral competition. Right? So voters choose from these two of different political parties. In a democracy, there are different opinions and views regarding which policies will be suitable for the society. For example, in a democracy, there are so many people. Each of them might have a different view regarding what policy or what will be best for the country. I can have one opinion regarding the economic policy of the country. XYZ can have other opinions regarding the economic policies of the country. Right? So, in a democracy, there are different opinions and views regarding which policies will be suitable for the society. Because in a democracy, we are given that freedom of speech and thought and expression, right? So we can express that, oh, this is good for the country, this is good for the country. So there can be manifold. But what is the problem? The difficulty is that no government can handle such a large variety of views. Is it possible? So many thousands and thousands of people will have little differences, XYZ opinions regarding what will be good for the country. But is it possible for a particular government to take note of all these individual opinions and then frame their policy and course of action? Not possible. So this is the challenge in a democracy, that no government can handle such a large variety of views, right? Then what is the solution? The solution here is the political parties, right? So this is the challenge, that no government can handle such a large variety of views put forward by different people. Not possible, right? So what is the solution? Who brings the solution? The political parties bring the solution. What do? They group together large number of similar opinions, right? So now might be 100 people's opinions are more or less same. Might be the way they express it's different, but it can be seen on a survey that okay, their likes or their interests are more or less the same. So political parties do this survey, and according to the ideology, what do? They group together large number of similar opinion. Why do they do this? This helps the government to provide a direction in which policies can be formed by the government. In which policies can be formed by whom? By the government, right? So here we see again the second one is a little big, so I'm repeating it. Voters choose from the policies and programs which are put forward by different political parties. In a democracy, different opinions and views regarding the policies are there, like which will be best for the society. Different people may have different opinions and views regarding which policies will be suitable for the society. Now what is the challenge or the problem then? So many varieties of views. No government can handle such a large variety of views, right? It's not possible. So what is the solution? The solution giver are the political parties. They group together large number of similar opinions. What do they group together? They group together large number of similar opinion. Why? To provide a direction so that government can get a direction. Okay, might be there were hundreds of views put forward by people, thousands. Political parties have shortlisted it and grouped together, might be to 5 or 6. Now it becomes possible for people, okay, this is near to my interest, so I support this party. Oh, this one is next, it's quite near to my interest, so they can choose. So political parties do this work of grouping together similar opinions from this huge multitude of opinions to provide a direction to whom? To the government to make policies. Okay, thank you children.